In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop the path C from automatically becoming a copyright symbol in Google Docs. This is a common occurrence for many users who intend to type a simple C but end up with the copyright symbol instead. Let's get started. First, ensure you're signed into your Google account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that now. Once you're logged in, navigate to Google Drive by clicking on the Drive icon. It typically appears in Google's App Launcher grid, or you can access it directly via a web address. Once you've accessed Google Drive, locate and click on the New button. This is typically positioned on the left side of your screen and allows you to create new documents. Since our focus is on Google Docs, select the Google Docs option from the drop-down menu. If you have an existing file you'd like to edit, open that one. Otherwise, go ahead and create a new blank document to try this setting adjustment with. Now, let's address the main issue of preventing the auto-correction of C to a copyright symbol. You'll notice that across the top of your document interface, there are several menu options. Click on Tools to bring up a list of options. From there, select Preferences. This window will allow you to customize your document's behavior. Once in the Preferences window, you'll see several options. Look for and click on the Substitutions tab. Here, you'll encounter a list of automatic substitutions that Google Docs performs. Scroll through the list until you find the entry that changes C to the copyright symbol. To stop this automatic change from occurring, simply uncheck the box next to it. This action prevents future automatic conversions in your document. After you've unchecked the substitution for C, click OK to exit the Preferences menu. To make sure these changes work, let's test it by typing C in your document. Type it out exactly as you mean to see it presented in your text. A quick check should show that the customary change to a copyright symbol no longer occurs. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully stopped Google Docs from automatically changing C into a copyright symbol. This small adjustment can significantly improve your writing experience, allowing you to maintain consistency in your documents without unwanted automatic changes. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for joining me today and happy writing in Google Docs.